You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're just overloaded. Too much phone, too many notifications, too much noise, too many quick rewards. And without realizing it, your brain starts choosing comfort over effort. That's why simple tasks feel heavy. That's why focus disappears so fast. That's why you keep saying, I'll start later, and later never comes. But listen carefully. This is not a personality problem. This is an environment problem. And the good news is, once you reduce the noise, your energy can come back. Your focus can come back, and your discipline can come back too. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 simple ways to reset your mind so you can stop feeling stuck and start thinking clearly again. Let's begin. 1. Stop feeding your brain all day. The average person wakes up and instantly reaches for the phone. Messages, short videos, reels, news, more scrolling, more noise. Before the day even starts, your mind is already busy. So here's the rule. Give yourself a calm first hour. No endless scrolling. No random videos. No jumping straight into chaos. Instead, do something simple. Drink water. Open the curtains. Sit in silence for a minute. Write down your top task for the day. This is how you take back control before the world takes it from you. 2. Remove the triggers. If your feed is full of content that pulls your attention in 10 different directions, don't be surprised when your mind feels scattered. Overstimulation does not happen by accident. It happens through repeated inputs. So clean your feed. Unfollow accounts that waste your time. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Move distracting apps away from your home screen. Make it harder to get distracted and easier to focus, because the more you protect your attention, the more power you get back. 3. Get comfortable with boredom. A lot of people are not addicted to work. They are addicted to constant stimulation. The moment life gets quiet, they panic. The moment they feel bored, they reach for their phone. But boredom is not the enemy. Boredom is where focus is rebuilt. So instead of escaping every quiet moment, let your brain breathe. Walk without music sometimes. Sit without checking your phone. Read one page without looking away. Spend a few minutes doing nothing at all. Teach your mind that silence is safe. This is where discipline begins. 4. Work in one clean block. When your brain is overstimulated, long, complicated plans usually fail. So don't try to be perfect. Just be focused. Pick one task. Set a timer for 25 to 45 minutes. Close the extra tabs. Put the phone away and work on only that one thing. Not 5 things, not 10 things. One thing, because focus is a muscle, and every clean work block makes it stronger. You do not need more motivation. You need fewer distractions. 5. End the day with less noise. If you end your night with loud videos, random scrolling, and constant stimulation, don't expect your mind to calm down on its own. Your nights shape your mornings. So build a simple evening reset. Reduce screen time before bed. Write tomorrow's top task. Clear your desk. Keep the room calm. Give your brain a chance to slow down. A quieter night leads to a better morning, and a better morning leads to a stronger life. Because when your mind is clear, your effort becomes powerful. So no, you are not lazy. You are not incapable. You are simply living in too much noise. And the good news is this: noise can be removed. Attention can be rebuilt. Focus can return. Start small. Stay consistent. Protect your mind like it matters, because it does. And if this video helped you, subscribe to Inspire Path 2 for more videos on discipline, focus, and self-improvement. And comment, "I'm resetting Nietzsche," if you're ready to take back control.